We are to evaluate the following. Most often in mathematics, it is very common to find people having so much difficulties in performing operations on integers. Most of the times when people hear of negative numbers, positive numbers, you have to add or subtract this, they become confused. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys an easy way of adding or subtracting integers. We have the following questions. It goes, evaluate the following. For the first one, A, we have 5 minus 7. We are to evaluate this. So I will give you guys the various methods of answering such questions. The first method, we can answer them by making use of the number line method. We are going to answer A by making use of that method. For A, we have 5 minus 7. In this problem, we have two numbers. We have to subtract two numbers. The first number is 5. The operation sign is minus. The second number is 7. So we are going to draw our number line carrying the first number, which is 5. And we are going to extend the number line to the left hand side of 5. Let's draw our number line. This is our number line. Let's assume this is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3. Let's end at -3. We have 5 minus 7. The negative sign simply means we have to move to the left of the first number, which is 5. So we need to identify the first number 5 on the number line. This is 5. The negative sign means we have to move to the left. The second number 7 simply means we have to move 7 units to the left of the first number, which is 5. So at 5, we have to move 7 units. We do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where we end, we have to end with an arrow as such, indicating that this is the result, the final answer. Then we are going to conclude. Therefore, 5 minus 7 is equal to -2. So this is how we answer such a question with the number line. Let's answer B with the number line. For B, we have 3 plus -4. In this case, we are going to apply the sign rule to know which operation we have to perform. You can see we have positive and negative. According to the sign rule, when we have positive, negative, the resulting sign will be negative. So this will simply be the same as 3 minus 4. We have to draw our number line right up to the first number, which is 3. Then we are going to extend the number line to the left of 0. Start from -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first number is 3. Indicate this is the first number. The operation sign is minus. That means we are moving to the left. If the operation sign was addition, then we are going to move to the right hand side. The second number is 4. We have to move 4 units from 3. We count 1, 2, 3, 4. We end here with an arrow indicating that this is the result. We conclude. Therefore, 3 plus -4 is equal to -1. That's the result. So this is how we answer such questions by making use of the number line. Let's go now to C. For C, we are going to use a different approach. For question C, we have 1 minus +6. This will simply be equal to applying the sign rule. Negative, positive, the resulting sign will be negative. So this will give us 1 minus 6. And this will simply be equal to 1 minus 6. We are subtracting a bigger number from a smaller number. the result will be negative. We know if we take 6 minus 1, it gives us 5. But since we are subtracting the bigger number 6 from the smaller number 1, the answer will simply be negative 5. So this is the result. We go now to question D. For D, we have 8 minus negative 2. This will simply be equal to, according to the sign rule, when we have two negative signs like this, the resulting sign will be positive. So it therefore means if we take 8 minus negative 2 is simply the same as 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is simply equal to 10. This is the result. We go now to E. For E, we have negative 2 plus negative 3. This will simply be equal to negative 2. According to the sign rule, positive, negative, the resulting sign will be negative. We put negative here. This will give us negative 2 minus 3. In this case, you will see that the common sign is the negative sign. Negative, negative. So for us to answer this question, we are going to add the two numbers. We are going to ignore the negative sign. Then we add the two numbers as if they are two positive numbers. Then we give the final answer the negative sign. So this will simply be equal to, we are going to put out the negative sign. Then we add the two numbers as if they are positive numbers. 2 plus 3. And this will simply be equal to negative 2 plus 3 gives us 5. So the final answer will be negative 5. We go now to question F. For question F, we have negative 1 minus negative 7. This will simply be equal to negative 1. Two negative signs gives us positive. Negative 1 plus 7. For this question, let's make use of the number line. We draw a number line. The first number is negative 1. The operation sign is 1. The second number is 7. So if we start from negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can end at 9. The first number is negative 1. This is it. We indicate it. The operation sign is plus. That means we are moving to the right hand side. The second number is 7. That means from negative 1, we have to move 7 units to the right. So let's do the movement. We move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We end with an arrow like this, indicating that 6 is the answer. So this will give us 6. Therefore, negative 1 minus negative 7 is simply equal to 6. So this is how we add or subtract two integers. We can either make use of the number line method or we make use of the sign rule method. If in case you have any worries, you leave your questions at the comment section. Please, if you like the video, share and do well to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.